Hello everyone, good morning. We are now at Efteling. This is just like Disneyland in the Netherlands. Ayan. We're just waiting for the
opening.
yeah. We're standing in line. There are already a lot of people here.
Nee.
We're going in.
That's een figure of the Efteling.
It's huge.
Oh wait, this is easy to film. These are the attractions.
This really reminds me of Disneyland.
We are now here.
Yeah.
Goedemorgen, ik ken twee. Ja.
We're in!
Ja, high five.
Yee. We came really early.
Yeah. How long does it go that you woke up so early, Guan?
I always wake up early. True. It's red right now.
Yeah. Oh, it's closed.
It's our first time to be on a theme park together. Toch? Yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true.
Because we went to Vietnam in Dai Nam Park, but
Yeah, but
not
that's
like
different.
this.
No, that's different. That's true. And it's a while ago that I had my day off
Yeah.
during the week, so
It's Monday today. And Monday?
Dinsdag.
Tuesday, sorry.
Dinsdag.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Take two. It's
Monday.
Tuesday today. I said it's Monday.
Monday today. Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Dudong. This is a video. Oy.
Yeah, that's okay. Is he man? Little squirrel.
Someone's hungry.
Someone's eating it.
The good thing about Efteling is that you can bring your own food,
Yeah.
your own drinks, except tequila.
Own chocolate.
Tequila?
Yeah, you can. You can
Yeah.
buy a beer here too.
Okay. Yeah. So we're on our way to the first attraction, which is called what, Dodong?
Max and Moritz.
Max
It's a new
and
one.
Moritz.
It's a family roller coaster, so it's
Okay.
not
It's not
crazy
so
speedy.
fast.
So G's not afraid to go in.
Ruud said we're going for Max because he likes Max Verstappen. Way up.
Je take your luggage. Ja, met 2, ja. 10?
Moment of truth.
Yeah, it's nice here, hè?
Yeah.
That was nice, yeah.
That was fun, yeah.
Abang is a little bit dizzy already, yeah.
I'm a little bit dizzy. Yeah, so you can throw your trash bag.
Okay, I don't know.
Papier here. Paper here. Ang cute. So you can throw your paper there. Tissue like that, though.
Yeah, everything.
Now it's getting busier.
Yeah, it's getting a little bit more busy now because it's 10 for 10.
If you
9:50.
notice, we're not with Anna because we think Anna's too
Too small.
for this. Although there are so many kids here, so many babies as well. But we thought we'd take Anna here when she's a little bit older so she can remember everything. Yeah. This is the Bazaar.
Bazaar. 1001 souvenirs.
Inside the dome?
It's at the Bazaar. It's like Arabic theme.
Okay.
You won't get dizzy from this one.
Yeah, for sure. I hope not. Oh, that's nice. So this is the second attraction that we're going to.
Yeah.
Ruud was saying he still remembers the song.
Yeah. Now how it's shown.
Oh, in the water. We're on our boat.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're done with the bazaar. It was nice.
Yeah, hè? Fata
Really
Morgana.
nice.
But I think we come back later there.
So we're on to our third attraction,
Piranha.
Piranha. So we'll be in the water.
She's gonna get really full of water.
Nee,
I'm gonna be dry, 100%.
nee.
Zie wat? Duim.
We're here
I already got a
on
little
our
bit
boat.
in the boat, yeah.
So we will be doing the 4D show.
Yeah.
Water gun. Oh, you can't really see it properly.
You see me in 4D now, Bang? Think you go up in it later?
Yeah. Puppy.
Weet je wel. It's not saying anything.
So this is our next attraction. Then you have to make a reservation to come to
visit the show.
yeah, to visit the show. We booked for 11:50.
Yeah, and it's now 11:15, so
Yeah.
we way too early, but